G'day Timestone people. A little video today on installing tsPortal. We'll look at installing tsPortal for the very first time, then installing it onto a new computer, and finally what to do when you upgrade to a new version. Let's get into it. Okay, if you've never ever had tsPortal before, your very first step is to contact us because we need to jump onto your MySQL server and configure it appropriately. Once we've done that bit, you're free to do the rest of the installation yourself. But keep in mind, if one day you migrate MySQL to a new server, we'll need to do this step again for you. tsPortal runs through FileMaker Pro, so you'll need to purchase and install FileMaker Pro if you haven't already done so. Any version of FileMaker Pro, version 16 or later will do. You don't need any of the fancy versions like FileMaker Advanced or Server Editions, just FileMaker Pro 16 or later. With FileMaker installed, you then visit our website and download these three things. The first link is the latest tsPortal app. This one is version 23.03.25, which by the way is the year, month and day this version was built. The second link downloads what's called ODBC connectors or ODBC drivers, which are the mechanism by which FileMaker will talk to MySQL. The third link downloads a little utility that configures those connector drivers. Alright, we've downloaded those files. Let's now use them. Start with the ODBC connectors. Run that file and work through its installation wizard, accepting all the default settings. Now run the configurator. This asks you for the name or IP address of your MySQL server. This is the same as you've entered into the Timestone apps elsewhere, in tsadmin for example. These two steps, installing and configuring the ODBC connections, need to be done on each computer where you'll use tsPortal, but only once, the first time, and you don't have to worry about it again. Finally, you can launch tsPortal. You extract it first by running the exe you've downloaded. Here now is the actual tsPortal file. Double click it and it will open in FileMaker. You're prompted for a username and password, which, the first time you run the freshly downloaded and extracted file, is admin. Now, because this is the first time I've run this app on this computer, I'm prompted to change the password, which I'll do. tsPortal will finish launching, you can import some jobs, and away you go. So this final step, where you extract tsPortal, run the app and set the password, needs to be done each time you upgrade tsPortal. A freshly downloaded app doesn't know your password, it's not saved anywhere, so you need to set it each time. So that's it. We've successfully got tsPortal up and running on this computer. Let's quickly recap. The very first time you want to start using tsPortal, let us know and we'll make sure your MySQL installation is configured correctly. On a new computer that hasn't yet used tsPortal, you need to download and install the ODBC drivers and download and run the ODBC configurator, telling it the IP address of your MySQL server. You do this once per computer and don't have to worry about it again. Finally, you download, extract and run the tsPortal app itself, and you'll be prompted for the username and password, which is admin, and be made to set your own password to use subsequently. You need to do this the first time and each time you upgrade tsPortal. Any questions? Let us know. Otherwise, it's bye for now.